Hi friends, welcome to my channel DIY UH Art and Craft. Today we are going to learn how to make beautiful stocking flowers. For material requirements, kindly see the description below the video. First, take a round bottle and wrap the floral wire as shown to make a petal. Now cut the remaining floral wire with the help of a cutting plier. Similarly, make the other petals also. Now take the stocking cloth and wrap it neatly around the petal. Tie the end of the petal with the help of a thread. Now cut the excess of the stocking cloth. Similarly, wrap all the petals. These beautiful stocking flowers can be made in different shapes and colors. These are very easy to make, but enhance the beauty of your house. Now shape each of the petals as shown. Take a stem wire and fold its ends. Now take the pollens and attach them to the stem wire with the help of a thread. Now attach one by one all the petals to the stem wire as shown with the help of a thread. Carefully bind the thread tightly around the petals. Now take the floral green tape and wrap it beneath the flower. Your beautiful stocking flower is now ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.